Healthy garden soil is the foundation of thriving plants. To achieve this, we can enhance the soil structure and nutrient availability with an incredible natural addition. This step helps neutralize excess acidity, promotes better water retention, and encourages the availability of essential nutrients. It improves soil texture, creating the perfect environment for roots to grow deeper and stronger. These benefits will work wonders for your garden, transforming it into a haven for healthy plants. The magical substance behind this transformation is called limestone. Limestone is a natural rock that contains calcium carbonate, an essential compound that balances the pH of acidic soils. By adjusting soil acidity, limestone ensures plants can absorb nutrients effectively, promoting robust growth and increasing productivity. Limestone also improves the soil's ability to hold water and air, ensuring roots receive the right balance of moisture and oxygen. To make the best use of limestone for your garden soil, we'll start by crushing it into a fine powder. This fine texture makes it easier to spread evenly and allows it to blend effectively with the soil. The process is simple, but transformative, so let's dive into how to use it step by step. Start by preparing your garden bed at the end of the growing season. This is an ideal time because the soil will have months to absorb and benefit from the limestone during the dormant winter period. Begin by removing any weeds and already existing vegetation. The weeds should be discarded entirely as they can harbor pests or diseases. However, the remaining vegetation, such as stems, leaves, and other organic plant parts, will serve a beneficial role, so be sure to keep them. Once the bed is cleared of weeds, evenly sprinkle a thin layer of the crushed limestone powder over the surface of the soil. Make sure the coverage is uniform, as this will help the soil reap maximum benefits. The limestone will act as a natural soil conditioner, enhancing its fertility and texture. It will also replenish essential calcium, a vital element for plant cell structure and overall growth. This layer sets the foundation for a nutrient-rich and well-balanced garden bed. The leftover vegetation we set aside earlier now comes into play. Chop the leaves, stems, and other organic material into small pieces. These pieces will be repurposed as a protective and nutrient-rich layer for the soil. Spread this organic matter evenly on top of the limestone layer, creating a protective mulch-like covering that will decompose over time, adding even more nutrients to the soil. Once the layers are in place, lightly mix the topmost layer of soil to blend the limestone and organic material slightly. This step helps integrate the limestone and vegetation into the soil's surface, allowing the decomposition and nutrient release to occur more efficiently. After this, it's time to let nature take over. Leave the bed undisturbed for at least 3 to 4 weeks, allowing the limestone and organic layer to work their magic. During this time, the limestone will continue balancing the soil pH, and the organic matter will break down to enrich the soil with essential nutrients and improve its structure. By preparing your garden bed at the end of the growing season, you're setting the stage for success in the upcoming spring. Over the winter, the soil will absorb the benefits of the limestone and organic matter, becoming healthier, more fertile, and better structured. This means when it's time to plant again, your soil will be primed to support vigorous growth, leading to lush, productive plants. The effort you invest now will reward you with a flourishing garden that thrives from the ground up. If you found this helpful and want more tips on growing vegetables and improving your garden, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more gardening tutorials. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button